Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of ants taking over your home? I've got the solution for you, and it's called Terro. This lightning-fast ant killer is a game changer, and I'm excited to. With its liquid-cooled formula, it's easy to set up and use, and it's perfect for targeting those hard-to-reach areas where ants love to hide. The queen-sized bait stations are perfect for large infestations, and they're so easy to use. Just place them along baseboards, corners, and countertops, and let the ants do the rest. The borax-based formula in Terro is incredibly effective, attracting worker ants that carry it back to their colony, killing the queen and the entire colony in the process. You'll start to see results within days, as the ant activity decreases significantly. The best part is that it's long-lasting, with the bait continuing to work for weeks as long as ants continue to visit the stations. Many customers have purchased and reviewed Terro, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice for ant control. I've used Terro in my own home, and I can attest to its effectiveness. The feeling of seeing those annoying ants disappear is incredible, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is ant-free is priceless. The sound of silence, without the constant scurrying of ants, is music to my ears. Terro is better than other ant killers on the market because it's easy to use, fast-acting, and long-lasting. It's perfect for use cases like kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, and entryways, where ants tend to congregate. Overall, I highly recommend Terro for anyone struggling with ants. It's a simple, effective solution that really works, and I'm confident you'll see results in no time. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.